Hey phenomenal beauties, what's your slay today? Today we're gonna be slaying this mirror wall decor, please. Now let's get to it. Hey guys, so I think I got everything that I need. I got 2 door mirrors. I have my white spray paint, and I also have my metallic silver, whatever you want to call it, spray paint. I already have a hot glue gun, so I got some more glue sticks, and I got some command strips to hang up the mirrors. Now let's get to it. Alright beauty, so after you cut the stem off of the flowers and some of the decorations that are around the flowers, like the leaves, you'll just take your spray paint and begin spraying. I'm going to do 2 coats of the white just so I can make sure that it doesn't show through, but the metallic seems to be doing perfectly fine with just 1 coat. So we're just going to continue to do this, and I'll be right back. I just wanted to put in a little insert about spray painting in your home. I know it looks like I'm in my house, I am, but I do have my door wide open and the fan blowing to get rid of the fumes. It was cold outside, so Jasmine, don't do the cold, okay? Just make sure you're safe while you're doing this project. this is the finished product of the flowers. I did some metallic fleet leaves, and I really didn't like the white ones afterwards, so I did not use them. Now we're going to go in and clean this mirror with some Windex, glass cleaner, whatever you have. This is from the dollar store. Okay. Just clean it real good with some newspaper. And the second mirror, we're going to spray that down and use some newspaper to clean that off so we get no fingerprints. Now it's all clean. I didn't show you guys hot gluing the flowers because it's really how you want to arrange them on the mirror. I just arranged them how I want to, mainly with the color, not putting silver next to silver, putting a lot of white. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys.